Dear students, this is Murali Manohar, your maths teacher. This is a sum given in the chapter triangles. This is a verbal sum. Generally, when we look at this sum, we feel like this is from the heights and distances or trigonometric applications. But this is a sum given from the similar triangles chapter. A girl of height 90 centimeters is walking away from the base of a lamp post. The AB is lamp post here. The girl CD is walking away like this at a speed of 1.2 meters per second. If the lamp post is 3.6 meters height and the girl height is given 90 centimeters, find the length of her shadow. That is, you want to find DE. Let it be x meters. Let us find out the distance D. That is the length of shadow when light rays fall like this. This is the light ray. So the girl is here. The shadow will be DE. This is DE because the light ray will fall here. This is the source. This is the lamp post. From here the light travels in a straight line like this, and therefore as the girl is like this, the shadow will be DE. So you want to find the length DE. This is the length of shadow of the girl CD. Now what is in the diagram? Height of lamp post. Height of lamp post is equal to, you should write AB is equal to 3.6 meters. And height of girl. Height of girl is equal to CD is equal to 90 centimeters. You should write it in meters because the others are in meters. We should write it as 0.9 meters. Next, length of shadow. Is equal to DE is equal to x meters. Is equal to x meters. Say the girl, see here, walking away, walks at a speed of, what is the speed? 1.2 meters per second, and the time of journey is 4 seconds. Therefore, distance traveled in 4 seconds is equal to speed into time. It is 1.2 into time is 4 seconds. So that is equal to 4.8 meters. So here BD is equal to 4.8 meters. This is the distance moved by the girl in 4 seconds time with a speed of 1.2 meters per second. That is BD. Implies BD is equal to. Now let us consider two triangles. One is A, B, see here, ABE. The other is CDE. Let us compare these two triangles. Consider triangle ABE and triangle CDE. In these two triangles, angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Next, angle E is equal to angle E, common angle. So default the other angles also will be equal, that is these angles also will be equal. Therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CDE. You can say by angle axiom. Since the triangles are similar, what would you get? AB by CD is equal to BA by DE. This implies, what is AB? 3.6 meters. This is given here. So 3.6 by CD is the height of the girl, that is 90 centimeters. 90 centimeters is 0.9 meters. Is equal to, what is BE? BE is equal to BD plus DE by DE as usual. DE is 1.x meters. DE is x meters. So to write it as x meters. This implies 3.6 by 0.9 is equal to, here BD is equal to 4.8. So 4.8 plus a DA is equal to x. You can check. So by plus x by x. This implies 3.6 will write by 36 by 9 is equal to 4.8 plus x by x. I can divide it by, so 4 is equal to 4. This is simple algebra. Implies 4x is equal to 4.8 plus x, implies 4x minus x is equal to 4.8. This implies 3x is equal to 4.8, implies x is equal to 4.8 by 3, 1.6. Therefore, length of the shadow of the girl is equal to 1.6 meters. This is a simple algebra, and we applied similarity of triangles, right? What did we do? Height of a girl is given, height of the lamppost is given, these two are given. Distance distance that is walked by the girl is given. We want to find the shadow. This is light ray. As this is light ray, the shadow is formed like this, and DE is shadow. Let it be x. And the speed is given, therefore you can calculate BD, and BD is equal to, you have calculated. Because speed is given, time is given, 4.8 meters. And compare triangle ABE and triangle CDE. You can check these two are right angles because these are heights. This is one pole, lamp post, and this is girl walking. Therefore, both are perpendicular to the baseline, and therefore these are 90 degrees. This angle is common in both the triangles, angle E, and default. Therefore, these two angles are equal. You can otherwise say that since these two are parallel, these are parallel, right? These are parallel. This is a transversal, these two angles are equal, even that you can say. And thereby the triangles are similar, therefore this the sides are in proportion. Substituting the values and solving a simple equation, you get x is equal to 1.6. That is the length of the shadow of the girl is equal to 1.6 meters, right? Thank you.